Let's unpackage an impact train horn. So once it arrives, it's going to be in a box similar to this. This is the dual horn style, and let's unbox it. Like I said, this is the dual horn style. Just rip that. The cheapest of the three styles we have available. Comes with a business card, but when I was opening it, I ripped it a little bit. Here are the two horns. More protective paper. And here is the train horn. This one is the Dewalt dual train horn with the remote control. I'll unbox it. Here's the remote control. Take that off. Take this off. So once it arrives to your door, it's going to look something similar to this. Now let's take the horns apart. Open the horns up. First one. Here's the second horn. This is the dual horn. It's about 130 decibels. You can use the remote control from about 160 feet away. We have 9 different tool brands available, like Milwaukee, Dewalt, Rigid, Ryobi, Dewalt. All of them, just about all of them. So, if you already have Dewalt 20-volt batteries, this is the time you would slap on your battery. Then you're good to go. I have a battery right here. And then with the remote control, check us out, impacttrainhorns.com.